Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can basically add a new widget in your desired location. So where you can find widget can be found under appearance, and here you can see widgets. So if I click on widgets, we can see that we have two footer 1 and footer 2, and in footer 1 we have search, recent posts, recent comments, and in footer 2 we have archives and categories. So if I go to the site right now, and we will be able to see the footers and our given widgets. So suppose I don't want this one and this one, I want a calendar over here. So all I have to do is I have to click on this, then I have to delete this one. I have to click on this and I have to delete this one. So you can see now there is only search, nothing else. So you see there is only search, nothing else. So now to add the calendar, all I have to do is drag the calendar over here under search, and basically that's it. If I just go there and reload the website, then we will be seeing a new calendar of January 2020. So this is 2nd of January. Okay. Then I don't feel like I have the need of the categories here, so I will delete this one, and I will simply give a text widget. So I am simply going to drag this one and place it over here, and I'm simply going to call it random text, and I'm going to copy this one, and I'm simply going to paste this one over and over again in the body area. So let's give it some space to make it look nice. It doesn't make any sense, but it's just for the test purpose. So yeah, so I'm simply going to save this one, and now we should be able to see the random text that we have created. So let's go. See, we have the random text widget, the archives, the calendar, and the search. So this is exactly how you can add a new widget in your desired location. Wherever you want, you can just place a widget from the appearance and widget tab. So yeah, so that's for it. This is very simple. It's very self-explanatory. It's not a mm, complex thing. So you can do this for yourself. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.